to the Intense 5. What could be on that list? I wonder. Let's go. Cartel touched down in Trinidad and there's a lot of mixed reaction. Not sure why he's there, but knowing him, we soon find out. I think it's the launch of his Straight Vibes rum, but wait and see. Love is in the air, must be nice. Nesbeth proposed to his girlfriend. Sham got down on one knee as well to the emoji girl, and Amari Mona Lisa got herself a new boo and they're vacationing in Jamaica. Isn't love nice? I mean, she's even looking at rings too. Ski Mask got signed to an international label. He said the label Epic Records and Against the Grain Records reached out to him after seeing the impact of his single Darkness. He says we should expect some serious quality music. Congrats! Spice not easy, you know. She brought out about 6 phones, which she says has all the scoop on different people in her life. But she not ready for bust it yet. No sir, I love it. And finally holding the spot this week, #cancel Ramesh. That's what social media was saying after Ramesh was heard ordering his security to box down TikToker TJ. His girlfriend Moya also got injured in the whole drama. It just never looked good at all, guys, just so unnecessary. But that's it for the Intense 5. If you missed it, remember you can check out TVJ's YouTube channel. Up next, Richie has a very intense interview with Mr. Cheerleader himself, Omi. Intense Sue forward.